Here is the Nissan Qashqai. Let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, that's the secondary release lever there. Push it left and lift up the hood. That's how the secondary lever works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod from there and put it right over there in that slot to secure it. And now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right over there. To access it, go behind it, and that's the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it. And now let's get it out of the light. That's the bulb right there. Just pull it out straight. The bulb size is 3457 NAK, says it right there on it. Check the link on description to get the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and push it in to secure it, and when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. That's good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, same bulb, same everything. Grab the bulb holder and twist it left and get it out. That's the bulb. Pull the bulb out straight. Same 3457 NAK bulb. Get the new bulb, put it back in the bulb holder and push it down. Let's make sure this drops in the light. That's good. Twist your right to lock it. And now let's go inside the car and turn the four-way flashers on to make sure the bulbs are actually working. This is on, the flashers are on, that's good. Let's check this out. The driver's side bulb is working, and so is the passenger side, and that's pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it and get the prop rod out of the slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.